Engineering inspection and quality solutions for railway manufacturing industries in India and global supply chain. How URG's International Engineering Services Private Limited supports railway manufacturers worldwide. Hello everyone, welcome to another knowledge sharing session from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. The railway industry is undergoing a remarkable transformation. Governments across the world are investing billions of dollars in high speed rail, metro rail, freight corridors, modern locomotives, advanced passenger coaches, and sustainable transportation systems. India is emerging as one of the world's fastest growing railway manufacturing hubs. From locomotives and passenger coaches to railway wheels, axles, springs, bogies, couplers, castings, forgings, electrical systems, signaling equipment, and fabricated structures, thousands of manufacturers contribute to this rapidly expanding industry. However, global customers expect more than manufacturing capability. They demand consistent quality, international compliance, traceability, reliable suppliers, and world class engineering practices. This is where URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited becomes your trusted engineering partner. Today we will discuss how URGS supports railway manufacturers, railway OEMs, EPC contractors, rolling stock manufacturers, railway component manufacturers, steel plants, foundries, forging companies, fabricators, and their complete supply chain through comprehensive engineering, inspection, testing, quality assurance, and consultancy services. India's railway manufacturing ecosystem. India has one of the largest railway manufacturing ecosystem in the world. Major production units manufacture electric locomotives, passenger coaches, Vande Bharat trains, freight wagons, railway wheels, railway axles, railway springs, bogies, brake systems, couplers, electrical equipment, signaling systems. Alongside Indian Railways production units, hundreds of private manufacturers supply critical railway components to domestic and international markets. Their customers demand products that comply with global standards and deliver reliable performance throughout their service life. Challenges faced by railway manufacturers. Railway manufacturers operate in a highly demanding environment. Common challenges include maintaining consistent product quality, meeting international customer specifications, supplier quality variation, manufacturing defects, welding quality issues, heat treatment inconsistencies, material failures, delivery delays, documentation requirements, customer audits, third party inspection requirements, regulatory compliance. Every rejected component increases production costs and affects customer confidence. Professional engineering support helps organizations overcome these challenges. How URGS International supports railway manufacturers. URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides end-to-end engineering support throughout the manufacturing life cycle. Our services include engineering consultancy, supporting manufacturers with technical guidance, process improvement, manufacturing optimization, and engineering solutions. Metallurgical consultancy, helping organizations improve material selection, heat treatment, mechanical properties, failure prevention, product reliability. Manufacturing process audits, we evaluate manufacturing systems including forging, casting, machining, fabrication, welding, heat treatment, surface finishing, assembly. Our objective is continuous improvement. Third party inspection services. Many railway customers require independent inspections. URGS International offers stage inspection, final inspection, incoming material inspection, in process inspection, pre dispatch inspection, container loading inspection, FAT witnessing, SAT witnessing, vendor inspection, expediting services. Independent inspections improve customer confidence while reducing project risks. Material testing and metallurgical services. Material quality determines product performance. URGS International supports manufacturers through chemical analysis, mechanical testing, hardness testing, tensile testing, impact testing, macrostructural analysis, macrostructure examination, failure analysis, root cause investigation. Heat treatment evaluation, welding metallurgy, material identification. Our metallurgical experts help clients improve product reliability and service life. Non-destructive testing services. NDT is essential for railway safety. URGS International coordinates and supports ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle testing, dye penetrant testing, radiographic testing, eddy current testing, phased array ultrasonic testing, TOFT, visual inspection. These techniques identify defects before components enter service. Supplier quality development. A strong railway manufacturers requires a strong supplier network. URGS International assists through supplier qualification, vendor audits, process audits, supplier performance evaluation, incoming material quality systems, CAPA implementation, supplier development programs, manufacturing capability assessment. A robust supply chain improves product quality, delivery performance, and customer satisfaction. International standards and compliance. Global railway customers expect compliance with internationally recognized standards. URGS International provides implementation and consultancy for ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO/TS 22163 IRIS, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety, ISO 50001 Energy Management, ISO/IEC 27001 Information Security. Customer specific railway requirements. We help organizations establish systems that improve operational excellence and customer confidence. Industry supported by URGS. Our engineering expertise supports railway wheel manufacturers, wheel and axle plants, railway spring manufacturers, locomotive manufacturers, passenger coach manufacturers, wagon manufacturers, rolling stock OEMs, bogie manufacturers, brake system manufacturers, forging companies, foundries, steel plants, fabrication companies, heavy engineering industries, EPC contractors, Tier 1, Tier 2 and Tier 3 suppliers. Benefits of partnering with URGS International. See, by partnering with URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, organizations can achieve improved product quality, reduced manufacturing defects, better metallurgical performance, reliable supplier network, reduced inspection costs, faster customer approvals, improved process capability, better regulatory compliance, increased customer satisfaction, strong global competitiveness. Our engineering solutions are practical, technically sound, and aligned with international best practices. Why choose URGS International? URGS International is committed to delivering value through technical excellence and customer-focused solutions. Our strengths include experienced engineering professionals, metallurgical experts, certified inspectors, qualified auditors, global engineering exposure, third-party inspection services, supplier development programs, engineering consultancy, quality assurance solutions, technical training, manufacturing audits, international standards consultancy. We work as an extension of your engineering and quality teams to help you achieve manufacturing excellence. At last, conclusion and call to action. The future of railway manufacturing depends on quality, innovation, safety, and reliable supply chains. Whether you manufacture locomotives, passenger coaches, railway wheels, axles, springs, bogies, fabricated structures, electrical systems, or any railway component, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is ready to support your organization with world-class engineering, inspection, testing, metallurgical consultancy, quality assurance, and supplier development services. Together, we can build stronger manufacturing systems, improve product reliability, meet international customer expectations, and strengthen the global railway supply chain. If your organization is looking for a trusted engineering partner, we invite you to connect with us. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more expert content on engineering, metallurgy, inspection, quality management, and railway manufacturing. For business inquiries and technical consultancy, URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 73 59 45 8455. Your global partner for engineering consultancy, metallurgical services, inspection, testing, quality assurance, and supply chain excellence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to supporting your railway manufacturing journey with engineering excellence. Thank you.